Just connect the cable and watch the channels work. The digital antenna companies don't want you to do this for this incredibly easy trick. You'll need 2 coaxial couplings and a small piece of cable. Pay close attention and follow this step by step to ensure exceptional results. Using a suitable insulator, repeat the process to firmly position both ends of the cable. It's simply frightening. We were amazed at the results of this homemade antenna. Once you've done it, you'll never spend money on digital channels again. It's the best thing you can do at home after this trick. You'll never pay for television channels again. This antenna not only offers free digital channels, but is also accessible to everyone in the world. The family will be delighted. For those who can't afford a pay antenna, this is wonderful. Connect one end of the cable to the antenna holder on your TV, and the other end to this 5-pin coaxial connector. Finally, we'll use a small, uncoated coaxial cable like this one, connecting its ends to the inputs on the coaxial connector so that it looks like this. After that, all you have to do is put the television in